So guys, this is where my vlog starts. It's 2:40 in the morning and I'm almost ready. So I'll go to my friends and then we'll leave in a while. We are going to Northern Ireland. We'll be going by air. So that's me. Fingers crossed. So this is the morning chai that we are having before leaving.
Yeah, and we also have some bit of wine, but
It's public gathering, don't mention your personal stuff.
Oh.
So it's 3 in the morning. I'm so much excited.
I'm so
Yes.
excited.
So we'll take one of these trains and we'll go to airport. So guys, हमारा जो गेट है वो गेट 81 है और हमें अभी गेट 81 की तरफ दौड़ना है. 1 2 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, this type of aircraft, the 8 emergency exits to the front, for the middle and to the rear.
So we have arrived here in Belfast and the first thing that we need to do is to eat something because we are so hungry. From here we will go back to the apartment which we have booked via Airbnb. मैं भूल गया अभी अपने जिस अपार्टमेंट में हम रह रहे हैं उसका वीडियो बनाना, but when I'll go back I'll show you the video. एंड अभी हमने क्या डिसाइड किया, क्योंकि यहाँ का फूड हमें पहली बात पसंद नहीं आया, दूसरी बात अननेसेसरीली एक्सपेंसिव है. सो वी हैव डिसाइडेड टू डू आवर ओन ग्रोसरी. अभी हम ग्रोसरी शॉप जा रहे हैं जहाँ से हम ग्रोसरी ख़रीदेंगे एंड देन विल कुक फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. बिकॉज व्हेन यू गो ऑन दीज एडवेंचर्स देन इट्स नेसेसरी कि आप लोग ना सिर्फ सीनरी इंजॉय करें बट ऑल्सो you should give yourself the food. मतलब खुद फूड बनाए वो enjoy करे, so वो आपकी उस जर्नी को 4 चांद लगा देता है. ठीक है. So I'll show you what we'll cook and थोड़ा सा updates में देता रहूँगा. I keep on forgetting to making these vlogs but I'll try my best. So we are doing some groceries. So guys, we bought some stuff and this is what we are making today. We are planning to make biryani, but we couldn't get the biryani masala, so we bought these spices. We adjust it, and this is the kitchen, the way it looks. It feels so cozy here, and this is the sofa. This is the arrangement of the kitchen, and this is what we are watching right now. This is our dinner, I would say, for day 1.